Use this video to install a two-line VFD display on an SPT-7000 or 7500 terminal. Unbox and inventory the display kit components. Remove the interface cover to access the connection panel. Remove the back cover to access the motherboard. Remove the upper cover. Remove the Phillips head screw securing the display dummy cover and remove the cover. Plug the display into the port provided. Install the display with the Phillips head screw. Replace the upper cover, back cover, and connection panel cover. Your installation is complete.